Do-do-do-dum-do-dum. Hello. That's the beginning of everything.
Late again.
Lovely.
My wings.
Yeah. So, actually, we are just starting our trip and we are going whereabouts? Yeah, that way. No, actually, I will go that way. But we are going to Wales and hopefully we will be there today.
Yes.
So, see you later. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and also welcome to our short trip to Wales. I'm Uncle Longbeard and today I will do that voiceover just by myself without my friends, simply because it's just an introduction. Nevertheless, let's the fun begins. We started from Coventry quite late because it was like 4 p.m. ish, and we took shortest possible route but still avoiding motorways, which means there will be some interesting things to see, like wild animals possibly? Well, maybe not so wild.
Stop it.
So, that's the first proper stop.
It's not proper, there's no beer.
But there is a nice tree and there is a lake or reservoir or whatever that is up there somewhere. And here is the happy family. Yeah, that's awesome. Na 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 na. As you could see, we are in a really good moods, but nevertheless it was time to go. We just passed Birmingham and Kidderminster and we are heading towards Snowdonia and, to be precise, Corwin. Till then we've got possibly like 70 miles. Not much, but plenty of speed cameras, plenty of police presence everywhere. So we weren't going really fast, so possibly an hour and a half at least. So let's see how it will go. For now, and the views weren't terribly impressive, but it weren't bad either. It was quite enjoyable, let's say. And when I was starting to feel tired, I could always count on my friends. Or at least some of them. Finally, we are in the proper Wales with the proper views. That's really enjoyable. Nevertheless, we want to buy some whiskey for the evening and we will possibly call it a day. And actually, tomorrow it will be raining for the whole day, so we don't mind to drink a bit too much today. That's the proper plan, I think. We will for sure enjoy ourselves.
Is this some kind of miracle we didn't see? Even if we were apart, we're getting burned by this first degree. Getting close, but I'm still stuck in the underground.
Just wanted to say that we actually arrived and we came to Aldi store. Yeah, they are shopping right now, Anna and Lucas. And 10 miles from here, we've got apartments, so let's meet you there. That's a pretty interesting house.
Standing by the edge, not looking down, 'cause I wanna know. Waiting for the interstellar, give me no reason to show. I know it's all about you and not even thanks for your love. We will keep on falling down, but I won't let go.
Ta-da! Yeah, we've got everything we need. Cards, jack, and something. Anna is preparing the food.
I was cooking
Yeah.
all night for you guys. Ta-da!
How awesome is that? Mm. See you guys. So that's it, my friends, for today, because the rest of the footage looked kinda blurry. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumbs up, comment under the video, it's really helpful, it's helping the channel a lot. So please do that. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. And hopefully see you in the next episode, which should be ready next weekend. Thanks a lot, cheers!